Hello YouTubers, I'm Rajat and today I'm gonna show you how to use modded Play Store in app purchases without even spending a single money from your pocket. But before doing that, I wanna show you that how much money you have to spend on to unlock a single level in any app. Uh, right now I'm using 101 in one game app, and in this app to unlock a single level, uh, points are required. So for 25 million points you have to spend 1099 rupees, and I don't think that uh, anyone will spend 1000 rupees to unlock a single level. Instead, we will use a modded Play Store so that it will save our time and we don't have to play those games for so long to collect those points. And to install modded Play Store into your device, you have to first download Lucky Patcher. Along with that, you have to download Root Explorer, Titanium Backup, and modded Play Store into your device, and then install these apps one by one into your device. The description about these apps is shown below, and then you have to click on Lucky Patcher. After installing it, it will load packages in few seconds. Okay, now you have to click on toolbox given below, and in that you have to click on patch to Android. After clicking on patch to Android, uh, some option will be displayed on your screen. In that you have to select the first two options: signature verification status always true, and the second one is disable.apk signature verification. You have to select these two options and then click on apply. Here I'm not able to select these two options because the patch is already applied. As you can see here, it's written patch is applied. So after selecting these two options, you have to click on apply. Then you have to reboot your phone and open Lucky Patcher again. After rebooting your phone, then go to the patch to Android and see whether the patch is applied or not. Then if you want your original Play Store back, then make a backup of your original Play Store so that you can install it again on your device. Then uh, after this you have to go to Root Explorer, and in that find where you have downloaded your modded Play Store. I think I have downloaded it in download. So here I have modded Play Store.apk. Now you have to rename it. Gingerbread users will rename it as uh, vending.apk, and the Jellybean or above Android version users will rename it as phonesky.apk, and then click on OK. After doing this, you have to copy this phonesky.apk into system/app directory. Copy, copy it in system. Click on system, then app, then copy here. Okay, now phonesky.apk is copied here. Now you have to set permission for phonesky.apk. I have already copied here phonesky.apk because I did it. I'm doing this for the second time. That's why. So you have to set permission. So you have to remove write permission from for group and other. So after doing this, you have to install phonesky.apk into your device. Now your modded Play Store is ready. Click on done and back to in-app purchases. So now let's check. Hope it will work. Again back to 101 games in one app. Now let's buy some points. I think I should buy 25 million points because I am not paying anything from my pocket. So click on 25 million. Uh, this will appear on your screen, and you don't have to do anything. Just click on yes, and you got 25 million bonus points. Now you have 25 million 50,000 points, and you can unlock each and every game in this app. So even if your points will get reduced, you can buy more points using this modded play store. And now I'm able to unlock each and every level. Unlock this, unlock that, unlock each and every level. Now I want 25 million more points, and I got 25 million more points. Thanks for watching my video.